Hello, if you are a regular viewer, today's video is something a little bit different. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Adriana, a trauma-informed yoga instructor and physiotherapist. And today I'm going to be going through a little bit of a self-massage, gentle stretch routine for anyone who has chronic neck pain or potentially headaches. This is meant to help to relax some of the muscles in the face, in the neck, in the jaw, so you can follow along with me doing the techniques. Firstly, I invite you to take your hands and place them on either side of your cheeks, kind of right in between the jaw space there. So if you open and close your mouth, you should be able to feel a little movement in the jaw there. So that's where you want your hands to be. And from here, you can just do gentle circles in this area, massaging out those muscles. If you want to close your eyes to really feel into the area, feel free. You might need to move around a little bit just to find the spots that feel a little more tender. You want to be gentle here. Just doing little circles or up and down movements. And if there's a spot that feels a little more sticky or tender, you can always stay at that spot for a little longer. You could try opening and closing the mouth as well. Sometimes that can get a bit of a different sensation in the massage. Then I invite you to bring your fingers along your cheekbones in here, coming in a little more centrally under the eyes. You'll feel these big cheekbones in here. You can go just underneath those. Just do little back and forth movements. I'd like to use 2 fingers for this. Once again, just finding if there's a spot that feels like the muscles are a little tender. You can always just really gently go back and forth on these areas along the cheek. And of course, you can stay in each spot as long as you would like. I'll be moving through them all. You can always pause the video if you want to stay in an area longer. Once you feel like the cheeks have gotten enough of a massage, I invite you to come up along the sides of your head, up kind of near the temple. Just doing gentle circles through this area. All along the forehead, you can kind of go all the way up into the top of the forehead. Gentle circles and coming back out along the temple. Finding those tender spots and just focusing a bit more there. If your neck starts to get sore because your arms are up, you can always take a break. Or if you notice you're starting to get a headache, you can always take a break. Great. And then you can always go to the bottom of your face, just kind of feel along the jaw here. Gentle little massage. Little areas we don't often focus on. Last little massage part, I invite you to take your right hand and go on your left upper trap is the muscle here. So it's the top of the shoulder. And from here, once again, just doing gentle circles on that muscle. Finding the spots that feel maybe tender or more sore and just doing circles through there. You can also take the left hand and go on the same side if that feels easier for you. So choosing the hand that feels best, go along this muscle. You can gently kind of tilt the head to the opposite side if you would like to get a bit of a stretch as you massage through here. Switching to the other side, taking the left hand on the right shoulder. Gentle circles throughout the muscle. You can also hold the arm with the other arm for extra support. When you feel like that area has had enough, I invite you to do some gentle neck half circles here. So going over to the right, gently and slowly lowering, and then over to the left. And back the other way, finding what feels good. If there's a spot that feels more stiff or sore, once again, you can always stop there. Couple more of these back and forth. And then bringing your head back to neutral. You can take both your hands and place them on your left collarbone. So you'll feel the bone right along here. It usually sticks out a little bit. So you can place your hands here and just really gently push down and kind of support that area. And then from here, tilt your head to the opposite side. You should feel a pull or a stretch along this muscle here. We don't want it to be painful, just to stretch. And you can play around here. You can look down. You'll feel a different stretch. Or you can look up. You should feel a different stretch, a different area. You can kind of go back and forth between them, finding the spots that feel good to stretch out and staying there a little longer. And then repeating on the other side, taking your hands over to the right collarbone, gently pushing down and up and down on this side. Finding those spots that feel the need of a stretch. When you're ready, coming back to center for the last exercise here. 2 different ways you can do this one. One is to just tuck your chin in, giving yourself a bit of a double chin. So you're looking straight ahead, but your chin is coming in. Another option would be to take your hands, place them behind your head and do the same thing. So you're pushing back into your arms, giving yourself a bit of a double chin and then relaxing. Pushing in, bit of a double chin, and relaxing, repeating a few times, your choice, which version you want to do. Getting a bit of a stretch through the back of the neck, some strengthening through the front. Once more. Amazing. You can take the hands down. And take a few gentle breaths to end this. In and out. Breathing through the nose or the mouth, whatever feels comfortable for you. I hope you enjoyed this practice. You can leave a comment below if it's something that was enjoyable for you. I can always make some more of them if it was. Thank you so much for joining me today. You can stay here and breathe as long as you would like. I'll see you next time.